Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 12th, subject zoology. My today's topic is infertility and assisted reproductive technologies, abbreviated as ART. Now, first of all, we must define what is infertility. Infertility may be defined as the failure to achieve a clinical pregnancy after 12 months or more of regular unprotected sexual intercourse. Now, it is a problem for 15 to 30% of couples throughout the world, including India. Now, first of all, we must understand about the reasons of infertility. In India, often the female is blamed for the couple being childless. But often, the problem lies in the male partner. Now, the reasons of male infertility include low sperm count, poor sperm motility, and also hormonal imbalance. So far, the reasons of female infertility are concerned. They include: number 1, the failure of ovulation, blocked or occluded oviducts, menstrual disorders, and the most common reason of female infertility is polycystic ovarian disorder, abbreviated as PCODs. Some sexually transmitted diseases or STDs and other infections in the reproductive tract are also one of the reasons of female infertility. Female infertility may also be due to reasons like physical, congenital, and psychological reasons. Now, reproductive and child health care programs have provided specialized healthcare units, which are also called as infertility clinics, which could help in the diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enable these couples to have children. However, while such corrections are not possible, the couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies, abbreviated as ART. These ARTs include certain special techniques by which infertile couples could be assisted to have children. They include: number 1, in vitro fertilization, abbreviated as IVF. In vitro fertilization, in this technique, the fertilization of egg and sperm is induced outside the body in almost similar conditions as that in the body, followed by embryo transfer, or abbreviated as ET. In this method, popularly known as test tube baby programs, ova from the wife or donor female and sperm from the husband or donor male are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryo with up to 8 blastomeres is transferred into the fallopian tube, where the procedure is called zygote intrafallopian transfer, or ZIFT, abbreviated as ZIFT, Z-I-F-T, ZIFT. In this method, we can see that zygote or embryo up to 8 blastomeres is transferred in fallopian tube to complete its further development. Now, the third method is IUT, or intrauterine transfer. In this technique, embryo with more than 8 blastomeres is transferred into the uterus for further development. This is called intrauterine transfer. Another technique abbreviated as GIFT, 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 which stands for gamete intrafallopian transfer. This technique is employed in such female infertile women where ovaries cannot produce eggs. In such infertile women, the ova from a donor is introduced into the ampulla of fallopian tube while fertilization takes place. Lastly, the artificial insemination, abbreviated as AI. In this technique, semen is collected from the husband or a healthy donor and then artificially introduced into the vagina or uterus. That is why it is also called abbreviated as IUI, intrauterine insemination. Now, these are the current options to assist such infertile couples. Though the options are many, all these techniques require extremely specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation. Therefore, these facilities are presently available only in a very few centers in the country. Obviously, their benefits are affordable to only a limited number of people. Also, the emotional, religious and social factors also cause an obstruction in the adoption of these methods. Since the ultimate aim of these procedures is to have children in India, we have so many orphaned and poor children who would probably not survive till maturity unless taken care of. Our laws permit a legal adoption of these poor children, and it is as yet one of the best methods for couples looking for parenthood. Thank you very much.